Hello kids, welcome to our English lesson. Let's look at Module 5, Eating Right, Sing a Song. You may refer to the Get Smart Plus 4 book on page 49. Countable nouns. Countable means boleh dikira and nouns is kata nama am. So it's basically things that can be counted, benda yang boleh dikira. So the nouns ends with S, ES or IES. Okay, for example, apples, peaches, cherries. So countable nouns menunjukkan bilangan yang banyak. So perkataannya akan berakhir dengan S, ES or IES. It uses a or n for one because we can count them, boleh dikira. So kita menggunakan a atau n untuk menunjukkan bilangan satu sebab kita boleh kira bilangannya. For example, an apple, an orange, a pineapple. Satu apple, satu orange, satu pineapple. Next, it uses numbers because they can be counted. So kita boleh menggunakan nombor kerana menunjukkan bilangan sebab dia boleh dikira. For example, 3 eggs, 2 peaches, 4 apples, 10 pears, 20 pineapples. So we can count the numbers. Next, it uses a few or several. A untuk menunjukkan bilangan yang satu, a few dan several ialah beberapa. For example, a pear, a few apples, and several oranges. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable means tidak boleh dikira. So things that cannot be counted tidak boleh dikira. Okay, sikit dan banyak ditentukan melalui pemerhatian. For example, like salt or sugar, okay, gula atau garam. So kita tak boleh kira 1 gula, 2 gula, 3 gula. So kita tentukan melalui pemerhatian sama ada dia sikit atau banyak. For example, a little sugar, some milk, a lot of water, banyak. It uses some, a little, and a lot of. Okay, for example, some milk, okay, a little sugar, sedikit gula, sedikit susu. It cannot use a or n or numbers because it cannot be counted. So kita tak boleh menggunakan a milk or n sugar ataupun 2 sugars or 3 sugars. So kita tak boleh kira. So kita tak boleh tentukan bilangannya dengan menggunakan satu atau dengan menggunakan nombor. Okay, tidak boleh dikira. For example, a milk, we cannot count milk. Kita tak boleh kira 1 milk, 2 milks, 3 milks. So it is wrong. 1 water is the same thing because water is a liquid, cecair. Kita tak boleh nak kira air. So 1 water is wrong. 2 sugars, we cannot count the amount of sugar. So this is also wrong. But let's look at these pictures. Okay. Gambar ni menunjukkan susu. So milk is uncountable because milk is a liquid, cecair, tidak boleh dikira. But the milk in a carton, yang ini menunjukkan carton, susu di dalam carton ataupun dalam botol, that is countable because we are counting the cartons or the bottles. Yang ini adalah countable. Okay, for example, a carton of milk, 1 carton susu. So kalau ada beberapa carton, contohnya 2 atau 3 carton, we say 3 cartons of milk. So yang ini boleh dikira sebab susu tu dia berada di dalam carton. Okay, next let's look at this picture. This is sugar. Sugar is uncountable, tidak boleh dikira. But the sugar in a jar, gula di dalam balang, kita boleh kira balang. So, a jar of sugar, 1 balang gula. So this is countable because we have already put the sugar in a jar. So kalau ada beberapa balang, we say a few jars of sugar. Or if you want to be specific, let's say there are 2 jars of sugar, we say 2 jars of sugar, 2 balang gula. Okay, this is chocolate. So chocolate actually is uncountable. Okay, chocolate tidak boleh dikira, but the chocolate in a bar of chocolate, this is countable. Kita boleh kira the bar of chocolate, 1 bar of chocolate, 2 bars of chocolate. So this is countable.
1. Listen and sing. Then write the words in red in the correct box. Let's go to the market.
I want something sweet. I want a cake. Let's go to the market and fill our basket. We need some sugar and some flour. We need 3 eggs for the cake. We need some butter and some milk and lots of yummy chocolate.
I want something fresh. I want a fruit salad.
Let's go to the market and fill our basket.
We need a pear and an orange. We need 2 peaches and an apple. We need some kiwis for the fruit salad and a big, big pineapple.
Exercise 1. Listen to the song and fill in the blanks. Okay, so you can listen to the audio and you can fill in the blanks. Exercise 2. Cut and stick the words in the correct group. Okay, let's look at the words in red. Okay, perkataan berwarna merah. So we need some sugar. So some sugar is here. So sugar is, can you count the sugar? So we cannot count sugar as in 1 sugar, 2 sugars, 3 sugars. So we use the word some. So some sugar is uncountable. I can't count them. Saya tak boleh kira. And next, some flour. Flour is tepung. So it's the same thing. Tepung kita tak boleh kira. So some flour is I can't count them. Okay. Next, 3 eggs. 3 telur. So telur kita boleh kira because there's number there, 3. So 3 eggs is I can count them. Saya boleh kira. Okay, next, some butter. Butter actually we cannot count butter. So I can't count them. And some milk. Sedikit susu. So susu pun I can't count them. It is uncountable. And lots of yummy chocolate. So lots of chocolate is I can't count them. Okay, next we need a pair. So perkataan a sini menunjukkan satu pair. So kalau kita boleh kira 1, 2, 3 maksudnya benda ini boleh dikira. So it's countable. I can count them. Okay, next, an orange. 1 orange, same thing. I can count them. 2 peaches, 2 peaches. So this is also countable. An apple, 1 apple is also countable. I need some kiwis, beberapa kiwi. Okay, so kiwis, yang ini mereka tidak menunjukkan bilangan 1, 2, 3 tapi dia menunjukkan beberapa, but still we can count the fruit. Kita boleh kira buah kiwi. So it is countable. I can count them. And a big pineapple, 1 pineapple, okay, so I can count them. It's countable. Exercise 3, write C for countable nouns, boleh dikira, and UC for uncountable nouns, tidak boleh dikira. You can refer to page 3 in your module. Okay, let's look at this table. So apples is countable, you can count apples. Bread, actually it is uncountable. But the loaf of bread, sebuku roti or a slice of bread, that is countable. But the bread itself, roti itu sebenarnya tidak boleh dikira. The same thing for cheese. Okay, cheese is uncountable, but you can count cheese in slices. Okay, beberapa keping cheese, keju, ataupun a block of cheese, satu block keju, yang itu boleh dikira. But the cheese itself is uncountable. Okay, next are carrots. Carrots is countable. Tomatoes, countable. Potatoes, kentang, okay, is countable. Milk, okay, susu I've told earlier that it's uncountable, but the milk in a bottle, kalau di dalam botol, botol itu boleh dikira a bottle of milk, but the milk itself is uncountable. Okay, next, sandwich is countable. Cookies, okay, is countable. Juice, okay, is uncountable because juice is liquid, cecair, so dia tidak boleh dikira unless the juice is in a glass, so we can count the glass, a glass of juice, a bottle of juice, okay, that is countable, but the juice itself is uncountable. Okay, next, butter. Butter is uncountable. Onions, bawang is countable. Tea is uncountable. Water, air, uncountable. Biscuit is countable. Ice cream is actually uncountable, but the ice cream in a stick or the ice cream in a tub, ice cream di dalam Tupperware, dalam tub, ataupun ice cream, batang ice cream, that one we can count. Satu batang ice cream, okay, dua Tupperware, dua tub ice cream, that one we can count, but the ice cream itself is uncountable. Oranges is countable. Eggs, telur, countable. Flour, tepung is uncountable, tidak boleh dikira, and banana is countable. Exercise 4, fill in the blanks, okay, with a or an or some. Okay, number 1, the subject here is apple, so apple is an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Number 2, can I have sugar? Sugar is uncountable, so we cannot use a or n. A or n digunakan untuk bilangan satu. So kalau kita tak boleh kira bilangannya, kita gunakan some. So can I have some sugar, please? Okay, do you have a jar of sugar? So jar sini adalah balang. Balang kita boleh kira balang, so we use a. If it is many, so let's say 3 jars of sugar, so sini ada S, jars of sugar. So kalau tak ada S sini, so kita gunakan a, menunjukkan satu. Number 4, can I have some pizzas? Sebab ada S di sana menunjukkan banyak. Can I have some milk? Sebab milk tidak boleh dikira, it's uncountable, so kita tak boleh gunakan a atau n. But number 6, do you have a carton of milk? So carton boleh dikira, 1 carton, 2 carton, 3 carton. So kalau tak ada S di carton sini, menunjukkan bilangannya adalah 1 carton. Chocolates, do you have some chocolates? Okay. Number 8, do you have, okay, bar sini tidak ada S, so menunjukkan 1 bar of chocolate. So we use a bar of chocolate. Okay. Number 9, do you have carrots? Carrots boleh dikira, countable. So do you have some carrots? Number 10, do you have, because orange sini tiada S, so menunjukkan 1. So 1 kita gunakan N. Do you have an orange? That's all for today. Thank you for watching.